So this video will be a little different than the ones I normally do. I got a package here from Linus Tech Tips. I watch their channel a lot, and so I've been wanting to get some of their gear, and I started off with a hat because I needed a new hat. And I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing and like a merch quality video about the Linus Tech Tips merch, because I haven't seen like anybody do any of those for it, and I thought it might be kind of fun because Linus is a pretty big channel, that it would be fun to, I don't know, do a merch video and see what it's like. I saw him do the fake video recently or I guess not recently, but where he bought all that merch from like Amazon and eBay, where they were selling a bunch of stuff that was supposedly Linus Tech Tips, but it was all off-brand. So, but anyways, we'll get going. As you can see, I got it opened up. Came from Blaine, Washington. That's not Linus. All right. First, we'll start off here with the box. Comes with some stickers. That's pretty cool. I kind of want to go through those and check them out. And then we have the hat. The Linus hat. I was originally going to get the red one, but they didn't have it in stock. But this hat looks absolutely awesome. I love the quality. The stitching is all really nice. The hair on it, that's okay though. I don't know if it's supposed to come in plastic wrap, but hey, Linus, if you see this and your supplier is supposed to send them in plastic, they did not. As you can see, it came out of the box with no plastic. But everything looks really good. Looks like a nice hat. I like the quality. Comes with should be fine, lttstore.com, nice. The LTT Diamond logo, PC components, I love PC building, WASD, LTT logo, CPU pins, the banana for scale, do not drop, dash the cat, and the Northern Lights desk pad. Very cool. Let's see here. Resealable, very fancy. See what these free stickers are like. And I love building computers. These are all very cool stickers. And the last thing I'll do here is I'll try the hat on and show you guys what it's like in just a sec. And the big reveal, the hat. I gotta say, all around, that's a pretty solid hat. Looks pretty good. Well, all around, I gotta say, I really like it, Linus. I think it's a really nice hat. If anybody would want to see me maybe buy more of Linus's gear and do like a full gear merch review on his stuff, I think that'd be really fun. I'd be down to do it. I mean, I've seen Linus do those kind of things, so it might be kind of fun to do. But otherwise, you know, very nice hat. Looks great. Linus Tech Tips. Hopefully you can see it there. I'm getting a lot of glare right now, so maybe I'll have to record this later, but if not, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you want me to do a full video on all of his merch that they have available.